Bande Matram everyone, welcome back to this episode. Today class discuss about example number 1.6. Write the units of the following quantities in SI system. Let's first is a force. Force. SI system SI unit of force equal to Newton. 1 Newton equal to kilogram meter per second square. Next is a velocity. B. Velocity. Displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. Displacement representing in S. Time represent in S. Displacement represent meter and time represent in S. So meter per second. Got it? C. Next is a density. C. Density equal to, look at this place, mass upon volume. Density equal to mass upon volume. Mass represent in a kilogram, volume represent in a meter cube. Look at this place, kilogram per meter cube. Next is a relative density. Look at this place, relative density of substance upon density of water. Since relative density, it is a ratio of two similar quantities. It has no unit on its own. Got it? Relative density, ratio of two similar quantities. Relative density equal to relative of two similar quantities. Next is a example number 1.7. Solve in this place. Example number 1.7. The unit of force in SI is Newton. SI system. Unit of force in SI equal to Newton, and CGS system is unit of force in a CGS system equal to dyne, CGS system dyne. 1 Newton equal to 1 kilogram meter per second square. Got it? 1 meter per second square. And 1 dyne equal to 1 gram centimeter per second. 1 gram centimeter per second square. How many dyne make a 1 unit? Relation between these two units. How many dyne make a 1 unit? Let's 1 kilogram and 1 gram. 1 kilogram equal to thousands gram. Got it? 1 kilogram equal to thousands gram. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 1 kilogram equal to thousands gram. Next is a second. Second, in also both these quantities, 1 second equal to 1 second. Both the unit second is a same. Let's find out 1 unit. 1 Newton equal to 1 dyne. 1 dyne. 1 Newton equal to 1 dyne. 1 Newton. 1 kilogram meter per second square. Next, 1 dyne equal to 1 gram centimeter upon second square. This in this place convert in a newtons. 1 Newton, how many dyne make a 1 unit. Kilogram is a bigger quantity multiplied with thousands. 1 gram, look at this place, 1 kilogram equal to thousands gram. Kilogram convert in a thousands. In a gram. Thousands gram meter convert in a centimeter. 100 centimeter and second square. 1 second square. 1 gram multiply centimeter, 1 centimeter upon 1 second square. Both the units is the same, both the side. Unit is the same. Gram, gram, centimeter, centimeter, second square, second square. This is multiply with this units. Thousands multiply 100. Thousands. 1, 2, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 0. Gram into centimeter. Gram into centimeter upon second square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square equal to 1 Newton. 1 Newton. 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Hence, therefore, 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Got it? Answer. Let's move question number. Measurement of length, area, volume and mass. Measurement of length. Discuss in a next episode. Thanks for watching. Vande Mataram.